Take your left leg up. I mean, she likes to do it from a walk, but just take your left leg and hook it.
My left leg?
And then take your right leg and swing it around. Right. Good.
Faith is gonna get this.
No, dude.
Here's your Facebook.
Come on. Come on, just do it for Faith. Give something Faith. Show Faith you know how to pole dance.
Like that?
Yeah, that looks good. Do it again.
It hurts my fat right here.
Do it again.
You're not fat there.
Oh, yes, I am. That place made me fat. Okay.
Come on.
Like that?
Yeah. Good job.